I want to tell you about a request that I recently made. It was a request for support, for guidance, for mentorship. And I took a long time to make the request. I was thinking about it. I was kind of talking myself out of making the request. I was really scared of a no. And I realized that in asking for this support, just the act of asking, I was really honoring my need for guidance, my need for mentorship, my need for eldership, my need for support. And once I'd realized that just the act of asking, just that act is an act of meeting my need. I'm loving my need enough that I'm making a step towards trying to meet it. And once I'd realized that, I was totally fine. I could ask for the support without any attachment to the response I got. Um, what also happens is that sometimes a no can be devastating, and that just points to the fact that requests is an iterative process. We make one request and then we get some feedback or response. Then we might need to make another request. It might be a request to self, it might be a request for support in a different direction. So, request making is really dynamic. And that's what we're going to explore in the 6 hour training, Requests to Restore Flow. Because when we do make requests of ourselves or of other people, we step back into the flow of life. And that's the practice and the training that I want to offer you in this session. Do come along. It's a great session. It's loads of fun and very generative and dynamic space to practice. See you there.